Hello students, in this video we are going to start with image formation by concave mirrors. As you can see, I have already drawn a concave mirror. I have named C, F and P, and I have also written some important information that we need during drawing these diagrams. That is, we should know the position of object, position of image, size of image and nature of image. So in the first case, the position of object will be at infinity. We assume that the rays, if the object is at infinity, then the rays coming from the infinity should be parallel to principal axis, like this. And as we have already discussed in the previous video, if the rays are parallel to principal axis, they all pass from principal focus after reflection. So all will pass from principal focus. 1, 2, 3 and the fourth one. So image is formed at F, that is the principal focus. Size of the image is, as you can see, all the rays are coinciding at the same point. So size of image will be very small. So you can write point like or highly diminished. But as all original rays are meeting together, so this image is real and inverted. Okay, so this is the first case of image formation by concave mirror. In the second case, so you need to practice it out. I am erasing the rays. In the second case, we will bring the object closer to the mirror. What we will do is, we will bring object closer to the mirror. You need to write all this information. And in each diagram we will have to write all this information. Okay, this is C and F should be lying between C and P, exactly at the center. Okay, second is position of object is beyond C, यानी कि C के जस्ट पीछे. सो इमेज फॉर्मेशन के लिए हमें एक पॉइंट से कम 2 रे को मिलाना पड़ेगा. लेट द ऑब्जेक्ट इज ए बी. तो पॉइंट ए से 2 रेज निकालेंगे विच विल मीट आफ्टर रिफ्लेक्शन एंड फॉर्म इमेज. सो 1 रे विल पास पैरेलल टू प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस लाइक दिस, विच विल पास फ्रॉम प्रिंसिपल फोकस एज वी नो. और एक रे को हम प्रिंसिपल फोकस से पास करवा देते हैं विच विल गो पैरेलल टू प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस आफ्टर रिफ्लेक्शन. अब ये दोनों यहाँ मीट हुए, दोनों रेज आफ्टर रिफ्लेक्शन, तो यहाँ पे इमेज बनेगी. अब देखिए ये ए की इमेज यहाँ बनी है, तो ये पॉइंट हो जाएगा ए डैश, और ये बी की इमेज बनेगी यहाँ बी डैश. तो देखो इन्वर्टेड इमेज बनी. दैट इज़ वाई रियल इमेज इज ऑलवेज इन्वर्टेड इमेज. पोजिशन ऑफ इमेज कहाँ बनी? बिटवीन सी एंड एफ. बिटवीन सी एंड एफ इमेज बनी. And size of the image is smaller than that of object. देखिए ऑब्जेक्ट की साइज थोड़ी सी बड़ी लग रही है, इमेज थोड़ी सी छोटी बनी है. सो साइज इज स्मॉलर, नॉट पॉइंट like the first one, but smaller. So you can draw this. Let me now erase it. We will bring the object more closer. Now more closer we will bring it. Okay. This is F. Now let us bring the object more closer. तो अब हम ऑब्जेक्ट को रखेंगे एट C. एट सी, यानी कि अब ऑब्जेक्ट सी के ऊपर ही रखा जाएगा। तो उसी तरह से ये ए है, ये बी है ऑब्जेक्ट का, तो एक रे पैरेलल टू प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस जो प्रिंसिपल फोकस से पास हो जाएगी, और एक रे जो प्रिंसिपल फोकस से पास होगी वो पैरेलल टू प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस आएगी। थोड़ी सी यहाँ पे प्रॉब्लम होगी आप लोगों को, पर यू हैव टू टेक केयर ऑफ वन थिंग हियर इज, इमेज जो है वो एफ सी के नीचे ही बनना चाहिए इस केस में। तो जो रे पैरेलल टू प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस एफ से पास होगी, जो एफ से पास हुई वो पैरेलल टू प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस गई, तो पोजीशन ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट अगर सी है तो इमेज भी कहाँ बनेगी, एट सी। साइज ऑफ इमेज इट इज सेम एज दैट ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट। नेचर, रियल रेज मीट कर रही हैं तो रियल एंड इन्वर्टेड। अंडरस्टूड। अब और क्लोजर ले लेंगे हम ऑब्जेक्ट को। अब हम ऑब्जेक्ट को रखेंगे सी और एफ के बीच में। Then let me first erase this all. We'll bring the object more closer between C and F. Okay. So one ray parallel to principal axis from A, which will go pass from principal focus one ray will pass from principal focus will go parallel to principal axis and the image will be formed behind C. कहाँ? Behind C. It is exactly opposite of the other. Behind C जब सेकेंड डायग्राम हमने किया था तो behind C ऑब्जेक्ट था तो इमेज बना था between C and F. This is just opposite. Now the object is between C and F. Image will be formed behind C, or you can say beyond C. Beyond C. Size, उसमें छोटी इमेज बनी थी, इसमें ऑब्जेक्ट छोटा है, इमेज बड़ी बनेगी. साइज ऑफ इमेज इज लार्जर देन ऑब्जेक्ट. नेचर इज अगेन रियल एंड inverted. So you can practice this. Next we'll bring this object more closer. Okay, and we will put the object at F. At F. तो इसमें भी उल्टा होगा. पैरेलल रेज आई थी फर्स्ट केस में, रेज वेर पैरेलल, सब इमेज बनी प्रिंसिपल फोकस पे एफ पे. अब ऑब्जेक्ट को आपने एफ पे रखा है तो इमेज बननी चाहिए इन्फिनिटी में. देखते हैं कैसे. वन रे पैरेलल टू प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस विल पास फ्रॉम प्रिंसिपल फोकस not getting a straight line. Again no. Okay, almost a straight line. And one more line you can take as it is incident from center of curvature like this, and it is returning back in the back. Now these two lines will be they seem to be parallel to each other, so they will meet at infinity. They don't meet actually, but it tends to meet at infinity. So position of object is at F, the position of image at infinity. Size larger than object, of course. Nature real and inverted. Right? last case of image formation by concave mirror. That is position of object between P and F, means the object is brought more closer to the mirror. So one ray if we pass parallel like this, it won't be reflected because the object will struck it. Okay, so हम ये इस केस में इसको नहीं लेंगे, we will take this. Okay, let the incident ray fall on P by following Ohm's law. By following the laws of reflection, angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection, and second ray we can take from center of curvature like this. As it goes, it comes back. Now this ray and this ray won't meet, but they can be extended backward and allowed to meet, and when they meet, they form image of AB and AB, or A dash B dash as the image. So position of object is between P and F. The image is behind mirror, anywhere behind mirror. Size, you can see this, it is very small and this is very large, so highly magnified. And nature is virtual and erect. You can see these are extended lines. So this kind of image is called virtual image. And as I said you that virtual images are always erect images. तो देखिए यहाँ से आने वाली दो रेस यहाँ मिली, सो ये जो ये B है तो यहाँ पे B डैश ही बनेगा. That is why it is erect. Okay, so this is about image formation by concave mirror. You have to practice 2 to 3 times each diagram so that you can get a good hold on your diagrams. Okay, thank you.